back to Kaos merch. The first video I tried to record, there was some time lapse, so it didn't record. I'm trying to do these vlogs again. It's been very busy, slow, busy, slow, busy, or some things just weren't vlog worthy. But as you can see, we have a full schedule for November already. Big project coming up, and it's kind of slow today, but it's been crazy. We're working on these custom hats with numbers on the sides, which I've never done, and I didn't know my machine could do, but it's doing it. So, and then we got these white shirts to do. I got to put new palette tape because last time I did hoodies and it leaves a lot of residue. I got some other little orders I need to fulfill. Hopefully I can get these blocks going again because I really enjoy making them. And for the few people that do watch, they seem to like it. So hopefully we can get this back on track and let's get to printing. So this is a rush order that we have that's due today. They're gonna come pick it up a little over 5:30. It's about 3:30, so I gotta freaking hurry up. It's yeah, 3:40, so I gotta hurry up. At least it's black and white, so we should get this done pretty quickly. Too white. This is my first time using comfort colors, so let's see how it goes. I mean, it's a pretty nice shirt, so. Big and then medium, 3 mediums. Whenever I use a new brand, I usually get an extra one or two, just in case I mess it up. So you can see it's not a lot of shirts, so we're gonna knock this out. This is not the funnest task ever, but it needs to get done. Then we gotta do the markings. Usually after sweaters, you get a lot of residue and all the stuff nobody likes. Funny fact, I've had that roll since I started. So, and it's lasted this long. I did switch to like a tape, double-sided sticky tape, which I love, but it's a little too expensive and you gotta cut costs. And I had to go back to paper, so there's nothing wrong with that. Somebody blow me a drink, somebody pour me a smoke, somebody get on a bus and get on a road. Somebody pour me a drink. Somebody. Drink, somebody call me a smoke. I'm gonna get on a bus. I'm gonna. So now we're going to be working on one of my friend's bands. I did a special a while ago and I'm finally getting to it now. Sometimes I have leftovers and they pile up during, and then I do cleaning. and I have a lot of blank shirts. So I'm gonna be doing a sale here pretty soon once I can catch up. Hey, so it's day 2. Yesterday got to be a little too late. Couldn't finish the hats, but check it out. We got one number, had to redo the number. It was too small. And these hats take like 30 seconds to do the numbers, but I gotta finish the rest of them. And then after we do that, we have the screens. I gotta make the screens for the rest of the week. What's due, all that stuff over there before I get into the big stuff. A lot of this stuff is due this week. This one's due Saturday. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy November, and we're almost end of October, so woo. So it's custom numbers. So we have to program each number. Gotta put it all together.